Getting the KB5052093. Update error in Windows 11? Don't worry. Let's fix the install failure with simple steps. Solution 1. Restart Essential. Windows Services first. Search for Services in the Start menu and open it. Now scroll down and double-click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Under Startup Type, choose Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Apply, then OK. Now click Restart on the left panel or right-click the service and choose Restart. Next, double-click on Windows Update. Again, set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click OK. Solution 2. Run Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and open it. Select the drive where Windows is installed, usually C:, and click OK. Now click Clean Up System Files. Again, choose the same drive and click OK. Once the scan finishes, click OK again. Then click Delete Files to confirm. Solution 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Search for Update Fix in the Start menu. Open Troubleshoot settings for Windows Update. Click Next to let it detect any issues. If problems are found, click Apply this fix. Once done, click Close. Solution 4. Create and run a batch file to reset update components. Search for Notepad and open it. Copy the command provided in the video description. Paste the command into Notepad. Now click File, then Save As. Choose a location to save the file. Name the file something like resetupdate.bat. Make sure to set Save As type to all files. Click Save. Open File Explorer and go to the folder where you saved the batch file. Right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. When the window opens, type Y and press Enter to confirm. Wait until the process completes. Finally, right-click the Start button and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.